Welcome back to the Train Expert channel. We have an OC&T short grain hopper train. Let's check it out. I was gonna go to Perry, but let's get the train out of McDonald's instead. There's the end. That's a short one today. Short one here. Getting short trains today for the OC&T run. Symbol on this train is OC&T Alco 75. That train originates to Titusville, Pennsylvania. Heads north, to Rossville, Pennsylvania. Heads north to Titusville, Pennsylvania. We are at where it terminates. All on this Thursday, June 29th, 2023, from Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube. Yeah, they got Tom and Chris switched around. Never seen that before. So, alright, that's going to be it. We'll be back on with the next trains at quality and talk to you later.